Apart from a plastic tube, crimped grain can also be stored in a clamped silo, in an old green fodder tower, or an airtight silo. Here we present two ways of storing in a clamped silo. The harvested grain can be crushed at the storehouse, but this can already be done in the field, which makes the harvest chain simple. The contents of the combine harvester are directly unloaded into the container of the mill, from which the grain is crushed into the trailer. The crushed grains are dumped directly into the silo. When the crushing takes place in the field, the crushing speed should approximately match the harvesting speed in order to avoid interruptions. Sometimes, however, it is possible that crushing at the silo is the more economic method in respect of labour use. For instance, when an outsourced combine harvester is used, the work is usually charged by the hour, and one wishes the harvesting to take place as swiftly as possible. Even though the mill would be capable of crushing the grain at the same pace with the harvesting, the container of the combine harvester cannot be unloaded while driving. In crimping, the preservation of the feed is based on acidity and anaerobic conditions, just as in the making of grass silage. The same preserving agents can be used too. The harvested grain is crushed with a roll mill and stored as airtight as possible and properly covered. It is advantageous to coat the silo walls with plastic. The grain moisture should be 35 to 45% to provide good conditions for lactic acid fermentation. The crops can be harvested drier as well. In that case, some water should be added to the grain on storage. The added water, however, soaks slowly, so it is advisable to harvest when the moisture level is optimal. The packing of the clamped silo is usually carried out by tamping with a tractor. Barley feed, for example, is suitable for weight. In this case, the barley feed that is used as weight is fed at the same pace as the crimped feed.